How to publish news on Google News. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Chrome and search Publish News on Google News and click on Get Started on Google News. After that, in here, click on Publish Center, which is go to Publish Center. After that, in here, click on Add. Then add URL of your publication. Add what's your publication called, which is the name. Then add your home country. Then select your language. After you're done, press on Add Publication at the bottom. After you've clicked on Add Publication, you will need to verify as well. As you can see, there are these options. You will need to add your domain. Press on Finish and you're good to go. This is how to publish news on Google News. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.